This conference will now be recorded. This
Mixers
conference will now be recorded.
So hope all of you understood what is the cost price of the costlier and what is the cost price of the cheaper. So whenever you have to go for the allegation, we need to find the ratio between the quantity of cheaper to the quantity of costlier is equal to the cost price of costlier minus mean price by mean price minus cost price of cheaper. So depends on the given data, you have to proceed now. So write down one more important topic, permutations and combinations. Write down permutations and combinations. Permutations and combinations. While solving the solving the problems related to permutation and combination, we need to understand what is permutation, what is combination, and many of you know the problem is with in which case we have to use the concept of permutation and in which case we have to go for the concept of combination. Yes. So here first of all we need to concentrate on permutation. Permutation means arrangement. Permutation means arrangement. So in what way we have to arrange is we can arrange the letters, we can arrange the numbers or digits, we can arrange the numbers or digits. We cannot arrange the people, we cannot arrange the balls. So whenever they given the problems related to the letters and the problems related to the numbers, then only we have to go for the concept of permutation. We have to go for the concept of permutation. Okay. So while solving the problems related to permutation, what exactly the concept is here. For example, there is a three-letter word. ABC. There is a three-letter word ABC. We need to use any two letters. We need to use any two letters at a time. Like AB is one arrangement, BC is one arrangement, CA is one more arrangement. No. CA is one more arrangement. BA is the another arrangement. CB is the another arrangement. AC is the another arrangement. AC is the another arrangement. So whenever they given three things A comma B comma C, if you want to use two letters at a time, the total number of arrangements are six. The total number of arrangements are six. So what exactly the permutation is? We can form different arrangements by taking all the things or some things at a time is called permutation. So if you want to take two letters at a time, you can take some things. Okay. or if you want to use all three letters at a time, nothing but ABC, BCA, CAB. Understood all of you? Next one, BAC, CBA, ACB. So these are the 6 arrangements. From 3 letters, we can use all letters at a time. So you want to get different arrangements by taking all letters or some letters at a time is called permutation. We can find the number of permutations. Is, we know the formula, N P R. NPR. What is the formula for NPR? N factorial by N minus R factorial. N factorial by N minus R factorial. Understood all of you? So for example, there are giving three things, ma. There are giving three things. If we want to use only 2 letters at a time, the number of arrangements are 3p2. We don't want whether it is AB or BC or CA, but the number of arrangements are 3p2. So 3p2 is equal to 3 factorial by 3 minus 2, 1 factorial. So 3 factorial means 6 answer. So AB comma BC comma CA comma BA, all those are 6 arrangements. We don't want what are those, but we need how many. If you want to take 3p3 ma. So 3 factorial by 3 minus 3, 0 factorial. We know 0 factorial is 1. So 6 factorial means, 3 factorial means 6 only is the direct answer. Understood all of you? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And moreover, while reading the problem, please understand the concept, because wherever we go, the problems are related to the letters, numbers, persons, balls. Okay. So for TCS, it is one of the most important topic ma, for TCS. So before that, you have to understand some basics also. What is the value of NP0? What is the value of NP0? N factorial by N minus 0 means
N.
N.
N,
So
N,
what is the answer? 1 na?
1, sir.
NPN means ma N factorial by N minus N, 0 factorial means answer is N factorial. Okay. So for example, here 3p3 NPN. So NPN means N factorial. 3p3 means 3 factorial. So directly the answer is 3 factorial means 6 ma. So NP0 is 1. NPN is N factorial. NPN is N factorial. Understood all of you? Clear? So write down the examples. Write down. All of you noted down the points.
Yes, sir.
Please note down the point. Write down. We can form different arrangements. We can form different arrangements by taking all the things by taking all the things or some things, all the things or some things at a time, is called permutation, is called permutation. Number of permutations is equal to NPR. Number of permutations is equal to NPR. That is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. N factorial by n minus r factorial. N factorial n minus r factorial. Next one, write down a note. NP0 is equal to 1. NP0 is equal to 1. NPN is equal to n factorial. NPN is equal to n factorial. NPN is equal to n factorial. For example, we can form, different arrangements. We can form different arrangements from ABC. We can form different arrangements from ABC by using two letters at a time. By using two letters at a time. R, A-R-E-R. By using two letters at a time. R, AB, comma, AB, comma, BA, comma, BC, comma, CB, comma, CA, comma, AC. CA, comma, AC. Okay. Yeah, write down the examples. The value of 75 P2 is, very basic example, ma. The value of 75 P2 is, so first of all, we will solve the problems related to letters, numbers, and the combination related persons and balls, then general problems related to the permutations, ma. 75 P2. We know NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Nothing but 75 factorial by 75 minus 2, 73 factorial. So up to 73 factorial cancel, ma. Up to 73 factorial cancel. The left one is 74 into 75. 74 into 75. 5650. 74 into 75. Good, ma. And In what way we have to solve? Please understand, my everyone. Everyone, please understand. 74 into 75, ma. We need to find the value. Everyone knows how to find the value of. Everyone knows how to find the value of 75 square. How to find the square of any number ending with 5? 5 square is what? 25. Next number to 7. Next number to 7 is 8, ma. 7 8s are 56. 56 25 is the value of 75 square. Now it can be written as 75 minus 1 into 75. So is it look like 75 square minus 75 है ना? So 75 square means 5625 minus 75. So what is the answer? 5550. What, my Irfan? Is it correct? $74 into 75. So 74 into 75, we can write it as 75 minus 1 into 75, because we know the square of any two-digit number ending with 5. The square of any two-digit number ending with 5. So 5 square is 25, 7 square is 56. Nothing but 7 8 are 56. 56 25 is the value of 75 square. Like that, you have to do the calculation easily. So 75 square minus 75. 5625 minus 75.
Hello.
Tell me, ma'am, Irfan.
Sir, can you repeat that steps, sir, how to find square root?
Sir, 7 square is 49, no, sir.
I'm not saying that 7 square, ma. Next number to 7. Next number to 7. 8 है ना?
Yes, sir.
7 8s are 56.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So write down a note, side heading. Write down a note, side heading. The square of any number. The square of any number ending with 5. The square of any number ending with 5. Nothing but 15 square, 25 square. This is applicable for only the square of number ending with 5 only. 35 square, 45 square, 95 square. So if it is offline class every day, I give some shortcut multiplications also. If it is offline, due to online, we are unable to explain everything. Yeah, every number is ending with 5, na? So what is the value of 5 square, ma? In each case, what is the value of 5 square?
25, sir.
So compulsory, the last two digits are 25. Compulsory, the last two digits are 25. And the second step, ma, what is the next number for 1?
2, sir.
2. 1 into 2?
2.
225 is the value of 15 square. Next number for 2?
3, sir.
2 into 3?
6.
625 is the value of 625 is the value of 25 square. 3 ki next number, ma. Next number for
4
3?
3, sir. 12, sir.
3 4 is 12. 4 5 is 20.
20, sir.
And 9 next number?
10, sir.
9 10 is 90.
9.
So that is the value of 95 square, 9025. Is it okay, Irfan? Clear all of you? Next one. Next one. How many words? And moreover, problem to problem, there is a minor difference now. Okay, I will give what type of problems related to the letters. First of all, we concentrate on permutation, then we'll go for the concept of combination. Okay, so please understand what type of words they may give. Bihar. How many words can be formed by using all letters of the word Bihar? For 3-4 examples, please concentrate. If the letters are repeated, if the letters are not repeated, if some letters are using Bihar. So in Bihar, all letters are, please understand, all letters are different or any letter is repeated. BIHAR. I hope all letters are different only. No letter is repeated. So whenever the no letter is repeated, we have to form by using 5 letters. By using 5 letters, we can use all 5 letters at a time. All 5 letters at a time. So the answer is 5P5. What is the value of NPN? What is the value of NPN? What is the value of NPN, ma?
In factorial, sir.
N factorial. So 5P5 means 5P5 means 5 factorial, na? 120.
Sir, if in case if any word repeats, then we have tried
Yeah,
that down.
that is the reason, ma. Okay, multiple examples are there, multiple models are there related to the letters. Let us see. After completion of the complete concept, please ask me. Okay. So there is no letter repeated in Bihar. Next one. Leader. 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 Letter is repeated or not repeated? E repeated, na? E repeated. E repeated. But total how many letters? 6 letters now. Total how many letters? 6 letters. So by using 6 letters, 6P6. If the letters are not repeated, directly the answer is 6P6. But if the letters are repeated, try to avoid the duplicate words, ma. So how many letters are E? 2 factorial. Whatever the letters are repeated, you have to go with the in denominator. 6P6 by denominator 2 factorial. Nothing but 6P6 is 6 factorial 720. 720 by 2 factorial means 2. 720 by 2 is the answer. $720 by 2. So what is the answer, ma? 360. If the letters are repeated, then otherwise no issue. For example, another word, ma. SUCCES. Success. The number of letters are 7, ma. 7P7 means 7 factorial by how many S's are there? How many S, ma? 3 factorial. Whatever the number of letters are repeated. U, there is only one, no problem. C, how many C's? 2 factorial. So 7 factorial by 2 factorial and 3 factorial. So if the letters are repeated, if the letters are not repeated, Bihar like. Understood all of you? Next one. How many four-letter words? Bihar, no letter is repeated. Leader, some letters are repeated. Success, some letters are repeated. But in logarithms, we don't want all letters, we need only four-letter words. So number of letters in logarithms are 10. The number of letters in logarithms are 10. And all letters are different, L-O-G-A, R-I-T-H-M-S. Logarithms, all letters are different. So if you want to use all letters at a time, the answer is 10p10. But here we use only four-letter word. We can form only four-letter word with or without meaning. So the answer is the number of letters 10 p. You can use only four letters at a time. 10p4. 10p4 means 10 factorial by 10 minus 4, 6 factorial. 10 factorial by 6 factorial. So up to 6 factorial cancel, 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 left. Do it fast, find the value of 7, 8, 9, 10. Good, Tarun, 5040. For AMCAT, important topic. For TCS, important topic. Next one. Next one. In how many different ways? In how many different ways can the letters of the word? In how many different ways can the letters of the word Z be arranged? Z be arranged in such a way that in such a way that in such a way that the vowels always come together. Important, for AMCAT exam. Compulsory there is a chance to ask one question based on this model. Yeah, listen all of you how to solve it. First of all, write down all the consonants in one side and all the vowels in another side. In JUDGE, JDG, UE, JDG are the consonants and UE are the vowels. Very simple one ma. JDG are the consonants and UE are the vowels. Now J is the first letter and D is the second letter and D is the third letter and UE is the fourth letter. Two vowels are considered in as one letter. Whatever the number of vowels are there, considered as only one letter ma. Fourth letter. Get it all of you. Now all four letters in how many ways we can form four letter words 4p4 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 means 4 factorial hai na 4 factorial into the vowels are two. These two vowels are arranged in two ways. One is UE and the second one is EU. So that is the reason that is 2 factorial ways ma. So the answer is 4 factorial into 2 factorial. That is 4 factorial into 2 factorial.
48,
That
sir.
is 4 factorial into 2. Yes ma.
Once again, sir.
That is 4 factorial into 2 factorial. All the vowels, whatever the number of vowels are there, considered the number of vowels into only one letter. Now the 5 letters becomes only 4 letters. First letter J, second letter D, and third letter G, and fourth letter U, E. We know the number of ways we can arrange the 4 letter word is 4p4 4 factorial into the vowels are 2. Two vowels can be arranged in two ways. One is UE and the second one is EU. So 2 factorial. Nothing but 4 factorial into 2 factorial. 48 more. Why should you have to go for 5 factorial by 2 factorial, Sahiti? If the letters are repeated,
No, sir.
no letter is repeated. Okay. You understood all of you? If they give the word, DAU GHTER, then what is the answer, ma? First of all, write down all the consonants one side and vowels in another side. D, G, H, T, R, so A, U, E. First letter, second letter, third letter, fourth, fifth, and 8 or 6 are
6, sir.
6 letters. So 6 letters can be arranged in 6p6 means 6 factorial into 3 vowels can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. So answer is 6 factorial into 3 factorial. Aim understood all of you?
Yes, sir.
Next one. And moreover, 48 is the number of words. 48 is the number of words In that the vowels always come together or not come together?
Vowels come together, sir.
Vowels come together. Okay. Without any condition, vowels come together or vowels never come together. Directly, J, U, D, G, E, all are different letters. The answer is 5 factorial, nothing but 120, without any condition.
Yes, sir.
Without any condition, 120 is the answer. So in 120, all the words, including the vowels, always come together and the vowels never come together. So out of 120, 48 are the words, vowels always come together. It means that the remaining 72 are the words that vowels never come together or always come together. 72.
Never come together, sir.
So always the vowels never come together is 72. So there is no specific method to solve the problems related to the vowels never come together. First of all, find the total number of words by using the given letters of the word minus the number of words that vowels always come together is the vowels never come together. Next one, write down. Next one, write down. In how many ways the letters of the word orange, in how many ways the letters of the word orange be arranged so that the three vowels always come together.
Sir, always never
They
come
never
together.
come together, sir.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Three vowels never come together. First of all, ORANGE. 6 letters are there, all are different. The number of words we can form without any condition 6 factorial. Nothing but 720. Nothing but 720. So out of 720, we need to find how many are the vowels always come together. Then we subtract. So first of all, write down all the vowels and consonants separately. R, N, G, O, A, E. R is the first letter, N is the second letter, G is the third letter, and O, A, E is the fourth letter. We know 4 factorial into 3 factorial, 24 into 6, 144. 4 factorial means 24 and 3 factorial.
720 minus 144, sir.
Yes, ma'am. 720 is the total words. Out of that, 144 are the words vowels always come together. So the remaining 720 minus 144 are the words vowels never come together.
536, sir.
536. 536 or 576?
76, sir.
Be careful with the calculation. So these are the problems related to the letters. So last year in AMCAT they asked one question, SYS TEM. in how many ways we can arrange the letters of the word system, but the vowel occupies the third place compulsory. The vowels occupies the third place compulsory. So how many vowels are there in SYSTEM? How many
vowels
vowels
are there, sir? Only one vowel is there, sir.
So that vowel compulsory occupies the third place. So this is fixed. This is fixed. So after removing E, the remaining how many letters are there? 5 letters are there. So these 5 letters can be occupy only these 5 places. In how many ways we can arrange 5 letters in 5 different places? 5 factorial by S repeated 2 times. Nothing but 5 factorial by 2 factorial. What is the answer? 60. The concept is same. Read the problem properly, ma. Next one. How many 3-digit numbers? How many 3-digit numbers can be formed? How many 3-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 7, sorry, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 2, 3, 5, 7, 6, 9, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, which are exactly divisible by 5. Which are exactly divisible by 5, and none of the digits is repeated. We know total how many digits are there? 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. Total how many digits, ma?
Sir,
6 digits. Out of 6 digits, you want to form 6-digit number or 3-digit number?
3-digit number, sir.
So first digit, second digit, and the third digit. That 3-digit number should be divisible by 5. So whenever the number is divisible by 5, the last digit should be
0 or 5.
0 or 5. Is there any 0?
No, sir.
No. Compulsory, the last digit occupied 5. It's fixed place, ma. Last digit occupied 5.
Sir, after that,
Last digit is occupied 5. And the 2 places are vacant. 2 places are vacant. So to fill these 2 places, 5 is already filled, ma. The digits are not repeated. So the remaining digits are 2, 3, 6, 7, 9. 5 digits are there. By using these 5 digits, how many places are vacant now?
places are vacant,
true.
sir.
How many places are vacant?
2, sir.
2.
2. By using 5, is it possible to take only 2 digits at a time?
Yes, sir.
Yes. In how many ways? 5p2. Nothing but 5 factorial by 5 minus 2. 3 factorial. Do it fast, ma. Do it fast.
20, sir.
20. Hope all of you understood, ma.
Yes, sir.
Next one. How many 6-digit telephone numbers? Akshay, is it okay?
Yes, sir. Clear.
How many 6-digit telephone numbers can be formed if each number starts with if each number starts with 3535 and no digit is repeated, no digit appears more than once. No digit appears more than once. So we have to use 0 to 9, any digit ma, but out of 6 digits, first 2 digits are 3, 5. First 2 digits are 3, 5. And in the remaining 4 places, digits are repeated or not repeated compulsory?
Not repeated, sir.
Not repeated. So out of 0 to 9, 3 and 5 occupied the first place and second place. So the remaining, how many digits are there? So 0 to 9 is 10 digits, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, out of 10, 2 occupied the first place and second place. The remaining, how many digits are there?
8 digits are there, sir.
8. By using these 8 digits, we can occupy only these 4 places, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, do it fast, ma. Do it fast. 8p4. 8 factorial by 4 factorial. 4 factorial cancel, ma. 5, 6. 5 into 6 into 7 into 8. Write down side heading combination. Write down side heading combination. First of all, concentrate on permutation, next combination, and finally we have to go for the general problems. Combination. Combination is nothing but selection. Combination is nothing but selection or grouping. So combination is nothing but selection or grouping. Okay. So in what way it is the selection or it is the group? For example, 3 persons are there. Previously I said that 3 letters. Now ABC are 3 persons. If there are 3 persons are there, I want to form a committee. I want to form a committee of 2 members. I want to form a committee with 2 members. What are the possible selection?
Sir, AB, BC, CA,
AB
AC.
Yeah, 1 minute, ma. We have to select the people. AB is one selection. BC is one more selection. CA is one more selection. Any other?
AC, sir.
AC. If I want to select Saiti and Tarun, or if I want to select Tarun and Saiti, both the meanings are same or different? If I want to select Tarun and Saiti or Saiti and Tarun, both are same team or different team?
Same, sir.
Same. So AB and BA, A is the first person, B is the second person, or B is the second person, or A is the first person. Both are same or different?
Same, sir.
Selection, ma. So out of 3 persons, out of 3 persons, we need to use out of 3 persons, we need to select only 2 persons. We need to select only 2 persons at a time. The number of possibilities are only 3. A, B, B, C, C, A. A, B, B, C, C, A. Get it all of you. If you want to take all 3 persons at a time, A, B, C, BCA possible, or ABC and BCA both are same?
Same, sir.
If I want to select Tarun, Sahiti and Kunal, or Sahiti, Kunal and Tarun, Kunal and Sahiti, the combination of the persons are same or different? Irfan? Same. Okay. So to find the number of different selections or groups is equal to NCR. NCR means R is the number of persons you can take at a time. N is the number of persons, okay, given. R is the number of persons we can select at a time. That may be 2 or that may be 3. NCR is equal to N factorial by R factorial into N minus R factorial. N minus R factorial. N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. Hope everyone knows.
That n minus r factorial is the denominator or numerator, sir?
Yeah, N minus R factorial is the denominator only. Now is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Write down. Write down. We can form different selections or groups. We can form different selections or groups from given number of persons by selecting all or some at a time is called combination. Is called combination. Is called combination. Write down. To find the number of different selections or groups is equal to number of different selections or groups is equal to NCR is the combination NCR n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial So general ma, what is the value of nc0? N factorial by 0 factorial into n minus 0 factorial means n factorial. What is the value of nc0? 1. ncn is equal to n factorial by n minus n 0 factorial into n factorial. It is also equal to 1. Please concentrate. np0 1 ma, but npn is n factorial. nc0 1 ncn is also 1. nc0 and ncn both are equal to 1. Yeah, write down. Write down. So whenever they given the problems related to persons and balls, persons and balls, then we go for the concept of combination. Write down. In how many ways a committee consisting of consisting of 5 men and 6 women. Anyone have the class? 5 men and 6 women for 10 minutes ma. Okay, at 7:30 I think some of you have the class. I will wind up, don't worry. In how many ways a committee consisting of 5 men and 6 women can be formed from 8 men and 10 women? 8 men and 10 women. Write down a note. Write down a note. So probability and permutations and combinations both are interrelated. Okay. In both the topics, if you have to go for and means into, ma. R means plus, and means into, R means plus. And means into, R means plus. So here 8 men are there initially. 8 men are there initially. Out of 8 men, we have to select how many men? 5 men. In how many ways we have to select 5 men out of 8? 8C5, 8C5, 8C5. So there are 10 women are there. Out of 10, we have to form a committee with 6 women. Nothing but 10C6. Okay, these are the possible ways. But men committee is the different and women committee is the different, or combination compulsory? The committee with 5 men and 6 women. 5 men committee and means into 6 women committee ma. 8C5 into 10C6 is the answer. 8C5 into 10C6. Do it fast ma. 8C5. 8 factorial by 3 factorial into 5 factorial, 10 factorial by 4 factorial into 6 factorial. Go with your own cancellations. Everyone knows the formula. What is the value of NCR? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. 8 factorial by 5 factorial ma. So up to 5 factorial cancel, 6 comma 7 comma 8. So 6 comma 7 comma 8 by 3 factorial means 6, and 10 factorial by 6 factorial up to 6 factorial cancel. 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 by 4 factorial, 24 left. So denominator 6 cancel ma, 7 into 8 56 into 24. 8 3s are 24, 3 3s are 9. So 7 3s are 21 into 10. 21 into 10, 210. 56 into 210 is the answer, 11,760. Next one. From a group of 7 men and 6 women, the total initially 7 men and 6 women are there. Out of that, 5 persons are to be selected. 5 persons. Persons means men or women, we don't know. 5 persons are to be selected to form a committee so that at least 3 men are there. At least 3 men are there on the committee. In how many ways can it be done? In how many ways can it be done? In how many ways can it be done? Yeah, listen all of you. 5 persons committee means in compulsory in 5 members committee, at least 3 men. At least means minimum. At least means minimum. So minimum 3 men ma. Minimum 3 men. So maximum 5 possibility nena. So minimum 3 men. If there are 3 men, the remaining 2 are women because 5 persons is the committee. If 3 men are there, the remaining 2 are women. That is one committee with 5 persons, minimum 3. Or 4 men, then only 1 woman. That is the 5 members committee. At least means minimum 3. That may be 4 or 5. Or 5 men, then 0 women. They are not giving any condition about women. So, but they mentioned clearly, they give the condition that minimum 3 men are there. Minimum 3 means that may be 4, or that may be 4, or that may be 5, or that may be 3. And means into, or means plasma. So out of 7 men, 3 men are selected. 7C3, 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 into 7C3 into, out of 6 women, only 2 women selected. 6C2 plus out of 7 men, 7C4, we have to select only 4 into out of 6 ma, only 1 woman, 6C1, R means place 7C5, all are men only, 7C5. Do it fast, 7C3, we know the formula, 7 factorial by so what is the value of 7C3? 35. 6C2 means 15. 35 into 15. 35 into 15. And what is the value of 7C4 ma? Please concentrate. 7C4. 7 factorial by 7 factorial by 7 minus 4. 3 factorial into 4 factorial. If you observe clearly, 7C3 and 7C4, the values are same. 35 into 6C1. 6 plus 7C5 plus 7C5. So 7C5 means 7 factorial by 2 factorial into 5 factorial. I hope 21. Do it fast, ma. What is the answer? 35 into 15. 525. So what is the answer? 756. Good, ma Sahiti. 756. So any doubt up to that? Any doubt, ma?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So these are problems related to combination. Some other problems are also there. General examples, ma. So after completion of this general example, TCS model, okay, then we have to go with balls related. then there is no problem. So any doubt up to that? So I think some of your friends having the class, don't worry. So tomorrow I will continue with the same topic. After that, probability also. So thank you, ma. Thank you so much. So please practice every day, everyone. For these 10 days, don't put the absent. Every day I told the same thing. Maximum inform to your friends also. Thank you, ma. Thank you so much. Shikaji, you are not active continuously. I think from last 4 to 5 days. Farheen, Sumit, understood, ma? Anjali? Good, ma. All the best. Thank you. Yes, ma. I understood. Ali told previously also network issue, but we can't do anything that is not in our hands. Sometimes for me also there is some network issue due to voice problem, but hope for the best. Thank you, ma.